Minutes in, I'm waiting. Message me first and not reply back to me. Anyway, that's not the purpose of today's video. Today's video I'm going to be doing a YSL bag unboxing, and this one's not for the broke boys. Like, if you're a broke boy, you might want to turn off. I'm joking. I'm actually joking. Like, look at, I'm joking, because you know what, people on the internet nowadays are so sensitive. Like, anything you say, they're like, nope, she said this, we're gonna hate her now. And once they hate you, jump straight into it, and I'm going to show you guys the bag. So it's like a bag unboxing, even though I've opened the box already, because I'm eager like that. Like, I'm not gonna wait. And yeah, I'm just gonna show you the bag, and then I'll tell you what I think of it and all of that stuff. So the bag came in this, like, full paid for, credit card, put your CVC in, you know, like debit card. I don't know, but I paid for it, like full payment, you know, like there's no kind of, no one else paid for it, I bought it, it's not sponsored. Imagine like getting sponsored by myself. It's not sponsored, none of that. Like, it's a full-blown purchase from my bank account. Cool. So I'm gonna open it now. I think, well, it came in a box, innit? Like, it came in a box. But you might have seen my address, but I don't live there. That's my uni address. So if you like, you can come and find me. You will not see me. But anyways, when you open that, so that's just a Selfridges bag. When you open that, you see this. When you open this, you see this. And you then, I'd hope you open it. And then it's the bag. Cool. And then when you open the bag, or the clutch, whatever, you know what I'm trying to say. Like, as long as you understand what I'm trying to say, we don't need to complicate. But yeah, let me just open the bag. This is a bag. When you open it, it's got like a chain handle, and I love it. Like, I love it. But look how big the bag is. I could barely fit my hand in there. And when I go out, I'm the kind of girl, I like to have a makeup brush with me, my highlighter brush with me. I'm gonna take my powder, I take my phones. I've got 2 phones. Well, sometimes I have 2 phones, other days I have 1. We'll get into that another day. I take my phones with me. Sometimes, like, I'm that girl. No one likes to admit to being that girl, but I'm that girl that would literally take off her heels and put on flats. Like, I'm not gonna break my feet to impress people I'm never gonna see again. Like, it's never that serious for me. So I would hold on to, but I try not to do it. Like, I try to wait until the end of the event. But for some reason, I'm really tall. Well, I'm not that tall, I'm tall. So it's one of them is where, where am I going with this? It's one of them is where I'm bare tall, like everyone's just bare short, and I'm just there like, right, like, it's not even that serious. Let me just take off my heels and blend in with everybody else, you know? Like, I'm taller than half your Man Crush Mondays. Like, I'm looking at the top of their heads and I'm just like, nah. So sometimes I do love it, because I don't hate my height. Like, it takes, I love it, like, it suits me well, but it's just like, when everyone else is short, sometimes I just want to blend in. Like, but I've taken the tension off the bag. I don't know why I do that. But yeah, the bag is really tiny. And I don't know. Like, I'm still deciding how I feel about this bag. As much as I do love it, it's really small. And also, I'm not sure if I'm keen on the colour. Obviously, I'm wearing brown now, but literally half. I will show you my wardrobe, but it's trying to show it right now. Half of the things in my, 90% of my wardrobe items are black. I don't wear other colours. Like, all of this is a bit, this is me stretching it, basically. But I do love it. I just don't like how small it is. The chain is nice. Like, the chain's pretty long. This is something I've got to keep onto until I decide whether or not I want it. And like I said, I'm still deciding. But if I do keep it, obviously I'll go with that. If I do keep it, I could like keep for like special occasions, on days where I don't need to like bring half my wardrobe out with me. But it's very small, so I might just exchange it for when that's a bit bigger. And I'm gonna give you guys the details of the bag, because I've literally just spoken about the bag but no one even knows what bag I'm talking about. Oh, in the box there's like a warranty note, and that's that really. When I buy stuff for myself, I like to really do this, and it just basically says, why not focus? I don't know if that focused or not because I can't see, but it says from me to me, and it's like a little thing. Like when I treat myself, I bought this bag when I was doing an essay, so I got really stressed out, and I was like, let me just treat myself. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna do some shopping. So I bought some bag. Well, I bought one bag, but I'm gonna give you the details like I said, because I'm kind of rambling on now. Like, it doesn't need to be that long. It's doing this. I could kind of see myself, but it's like over there, see myself. But hi guys, welcome back to my welcome back to my channel. Today, how's your day been? I'm gonna tell you how my day's been actually. You know what, when I do this, it makes me look like I've got like kind of rock back as much as I want. Anyways, hi guys, welcome to my channel. No, seriously, hey guys, welcome to my channel. You know when you look buff in person, then you get in front of the camera. Like, you look buff in person, you're thinking, yeah, like, I could take your man, your girl. And you get in front of the camera. If it back, it's just weird. So I'm just gonna have to leave it as it is. But, why is everyone awake in my flat? Why can they go to sleep? I am trying to film. Like, that's something big. You know, this is so close, like up close and personal. I'm actually sweating. What is, no, you're not gonna do that.